Hey guys, and welcome into today's video. Wow, look at the stock market. We are on fire today. Sofi is up nearly 18%. We have a full green day in the market, something that we have been waiting for so long. Don't know how long this is going to continue for, but I absolutely love a green day. I'm sure you guys feel the same. To finally see a nice green day across the entire stock market, especially growth and innovation. This is my watch list. As you can see, every single stock is green. Absolutely fantastic news. Now, Sofi, one of our top channel favorite stocks, is actually on fire today. We actually had some fantastic news. Following yesterday, we did actually get the regulatory clearance that Sofi Technologies has actually got their bank charter. So we are going to see them lose about 700 million from their cash position on their balance sheet as, again, they pile into this acquisition. But what that means, guys, is that they are going to have some absolutely enormous astronomical growth as a financial company. People don't understand how big this is for Sofi Technologies. Over the long term, guys, this company is going to do extremely well. They have the opportunity right now to 5 to 10x in the market over the decade, depending on how they capitalize and how irrational and volatile the market gets over the next few years. Now, I do see this over the last kind of 6 months, and over this 6 months, like I said, playing out with a lot of volatility because of that. But due to this news, guys, we are going to see some further momentum. And as you can see, we are now up 18% just making this video. We are now past the $16 mark. We had people complaining on the channel yesterday and also over the last few weeks because Sofi was down at those levels of $10 to $12. And I was saying, guys, how much of an opportunity. I continued to post day in and day out news and information on my channel. So if you guys know on my community, I was saying how this is presenting some absolutely enormous value right now. And again, I was saying that this is the worst January on record for stocks. Again, until today, we have now seen a huge turnaround. A lot of you guys had voted that you are keeping calm and buying the dip. So thank you again. If you did vote on any of these, I do love to see that there is some more confidence coming back into the market for those investors that did vote there. And again, if we come onto the price predictions for Sofi, this is something I just want to cover because we now have another 2 analysts covering. And again, right now we have a moderate buy. They are saying with an average upside of 33% from here over this year and an average price of $21.40. Again, like I said, the first 6 months of this year is going to be very volatile for them as, again, they have to spend out that money with their bank charter. But over the long term, it's going to make them extremely competitive, extremely profitable, and this company could fly into the billions, guys. So much higher. They have so much potential. This price of $30 is more accurate to my belief. Over the next 12 months, we are going to see prices escalate above $30 once we come into the next 2 to 3 years easily, which from the current share price of $16, guys, is 100% return on your money. And that is not guaranteed. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but from my due diligence, market research and understanding of the fintech and financial services, I used to work for HSBC Bank. I understand how this is going to allow them to become very, very profitable with their net margins. It's going to allow Sofi to have new opportunities within the market to, in fact, push different services and products at very competitive prices. And they want to go all out. They want to go and take on the big players. And they want to be one of the most competitive players in the financial industry. So this company is set to dominate. To my opinion, right now, we are getting some extremely good value in the stock, and the only way that I think that this is going to go down in the short term, again, is if we continue to see this crash play out in the growth and innovation sector. But again, like I said, we have so much room to grow over the next year or two, and this company for sure is going to see those highs again of $28 to $30, and this is going to be a fantastic opportunity to load up right now for the long term. If you are a long-term investor and you have a long-term time horizon, then I think that this is definitely a stock to throw onto your radar, pop onto your watch list, and again, use your technical setup to your advantage. Use the 100-day moving averages and the 21-day moving averages, and use the 30 on the RSI to get optimum entry on a lot of these stocks. So guys, that wraps up the video update on Sofi Technologies. And like I said, right now we are going through one of the most volatile spells that we have ever seen in the history of the stock market for January. Since 1960s, we have not seen prices of the Nasdaq drop more than 8% typically in the month of January. But again, we had such a volatile month this month, but it's so good to see that today we have seen a massive turnaround and we are now being favored again for those electrical vehicle stocks. Alpine, again, is a stock that I would like to do an update on, and I am, in fact, going to link a new video that I did watch with Sofi technology, so look out for that, guys, over the next day or two, because I'm also going to link another video today. In fact, I might even do it after this, because there was a really important announcement from the CEO about the bank charter and what that means for the share price of Sofi moving forward. So, in fact, I'm going to turn this video off right now and get stuck into that. If you guys would like to have any more updates and you want access to anything I'm doing, buying or selling on this open stock market, then feel free to join the private Patreon. The link again below is in the description for the price of a coffee. And I would like to thank you for all of my Patreons currently, and again, anyone that would like to continue to support the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, just like myself, and I look forward to seeing you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. If you haven't already, then I ask you please to go down there and hit that big subscribe button. And if you did find value at any point, then don't forget to smash that like button for me as well. Guys, have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next update. Ciao for now.